Projects are flooding the crypto market right now, but every cycle there are only a few projects that are able to survive. Now the real question is, will HeyAnon be one of them? HeyAnon is trying to simplify contract and crypto interactions by simplifying them by using the AI tools and the automation tools that are available today to us. But does it really have the fundamentals that we need for a project to succeed? Fundamentals like community engagement, holder count, holder distribution, market cap, liquidity, volume, so on and so forth. Let's go to the charts, let's check it out, let's see if HeyAnon is a project worth investing in. Welcome to Crypto Genius, where he is in control. Let's go to the charts. All right guys, now that we're here on the screen, we're going to go back and see what HeyAnon has in store for us. HeyAnon is a good project that I believe in. It had a major downfall because of the market condition, but it doesn't stop us from investigating it and to see if it's still alive. Let's go to my Discord first. So in my Discord here, we can see that HeyAnon was recommended on February. So it was quite some time ago. And throughout the Friday recommendations that Crypto Genius gives to us, Crypto Genius has recommended HeyAnon several times. But this was when HeyAnon was recommended first, and this is the time I bought it. So I have it quite some time now, and since then it has gone down quite a bit. But can it go back up? And that's what we're looking here to see if it's still worth investing in. HeyAnon is on the Base platform, Ethereum Base. The market cap at the time of recommending it is 9 million. At this time, right now, I think it's around 4 million. So it dropped significantly. So if you want just to double your investment easily, you can just easily invest right now. Not financial advice, do your own research. At the time of recommended this token, it was at 6.67 cents. It is in the AI sector. It has to do with AI agents, dealing with smart contracts and platforms. Then it was given a score of 65. A score of 65 is good for Crypto Genius. Then you have a little reasoning here, and then you have, as always, the contract address that we are going to copy just in case. Hey, what's up guys? This is just a quick reminder that this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. I am just showing you what I do with these coins. Do everything at your own leisure. Don't depend on what I am doing. I'm not your financial advisor. We're going to go into the deck screen. We're going to see all the indicators that we're looking in. The holder count distribution, the chart, the price, the market cap, if it's locked or not, how much liquidity does it have, and so on. So we're going to check it out. Let's go into it. So I already have it open, but if you do not know how to look into it, you just click search here, and then you just look for it, and it's the first one that shows up. And this will show up on your screen. This looks very clean, very nice. We see here 9 minutes ago, 58 minutes ago, people are buying because it's honestly a good buy for me, in my opinion. I believe in this project, and there's a couple indicators that are good and are kind of a easy brainer. Now because of the market condition, the altcoin season index and the fear and greed index are super low. That's when you as a smart investor buy. So the chart here we see on a weekly time frame, it has gone down quite a bit. So right now we are here at 34 cents. I was part of a smaller one that went up to 160, but I bought it when it was 60 cents. So I doubled my investments. I do think it can go back here to $8, but for that to happen, the market has to be greedy and the altcoin season has to be up. If you're interested in knowing how that works, check out my previous videos where the videos are a little longer, but I go through those indicators as well. So we can see a downtrend here on the chart. That is okay because the market conditions are heavy. They are weighing us down. Tech stock is down. Is just going downhill, but that's the opportunity for you. We can see some buys and sells, more buys. Of course, that is a smart thing to do in my end too. The holder count distribution. The top holder has 13%. That is amazing. That is an amazing distribution for the top holder. That is on all my videos what I'm talking about. That distribution is what I'm looking for specifically. I even go a little higher and say, hey, if it's 16% or lower, that's a buy. That's a good indicator for us to consider this project or consider the project that we're analyzing. So that is very good. Now we can see that the distribution 12%, 7%, 3%, that is a perfect distribution. The holder count is 78,000. That is huge. Hey, just imagine $1 per person will increase the pool on $78,000, and that will definitely make the price and the token more valuable, and it will grow in price thereafter. So very good indicators. The liquidity providers 49, 44 to 1 and 1%. That is perfect. Liquidity providers, if we have more than one, that is a huge indicator, because it is hard to find people that want to take part in providing liquidity. Liquidity basically is the amount that is available for you to withdraw from this project once the token goes through a good season. The more you have, the more comfort it can give you in thinking, okay, hey, a lot of people participated in this liquidity pool, so I think there's a lot of interest in this sector. Liquidity, if it's more than one, I consider it highly. If the holder count is more than 50,000, I consider it highly. And then if the distribution is well distributed and the top holder has below 16%, that is a game changer for me as well. So those all look good. On this note, let's go here on the top right. HeyAnon, we have a website with Twitter, we have a Discord, which we're going to go in after. The price is 0.29 cents at this moment of recording this video. The market cap is 4 million, as I have mentioned previously. Liquidity, we have $106,000, and we had some activity here on the hourly time frame, 6-hour time frame and 24-hour time frame. That is good. We always want to see some buys and sells and some activity and some volume. In that regard, we see buys, buy volume, buyers. That is moving. That is not staying still, and that is a good sign. Here we have 49 people think this will skyrocket, and this is probably because it's in the AI sector. There's no on fire signs. There's 2 poop signs and 2 red flags, which is okay. We always are going to have 2 sides. Then we have here again the social media platforms. A little description of what it is, and then we'll go further down and there is nothing. So guys, based on the charts, based on the indicators on the deck screener, HeyAnon has a lot of potential. Now that we looked at the deck screener, I think the deck screener shows us some promising indicators for HeyAnon, even though it dropped significantly because of the market condition, because of the stock market, because of what is going on with the war in Iran, which I personally believe that is the major impact on the whole market. I mean, yes, we can say, oh, if Powell says something, if the financial institutions say something, that all levels the market a little bit and it moves it up and down, but nothing moves it up and down bigger than the conditions of the war in Iran, because that is huge. So I encourage you to check that one out and just move with the market and play the game of crypto, because in this game it's all about investors' sentiment. So let's go now to the website. Let's check out what the website has in store, how far it has developed, and if we can see maybe the team's face, we can see what it is all about and how easy it is to navigate. Let's go. So here I have it already open. HeyAnon. It starts very well, sliding in slowly. HeyAnon, meet your personal research trading AI agent. So we can click on get started. I think we can click enter. I'm not sure what that is about. We are going to click up here on Anon. It slowly goes in as well. We can scroll down, abstract, the chaos, keep the edge, Solana, Ton, EVM, supported exchanges, Hyperliquidity, Bybit, Mexi, Aster, Binance, Kraken. So it is available in quite some exchanges, and one of the biggest exchanges yet, and I will go into that later in this video as well. So then we go here, dust collector, revoke, and you can read through this a little bit as well. We then orchestrated automation, funding rate, trailing stop loss, liquidation price, custom, and gas cost. Okay, so the flow, it looks pretty easy. There's not much text to it. It's just scrolling through and finding out how it works. You can also stake, which that takes me to another website. Let's see what it does here. Anon staking. So you can stake Anon. You can earn some rewards. That is always good when the project actually gives you rewards, and it rewards the community by holding their tokens. That is amazing. So if you stake for 12 months, you can get up to 13%. That is amazing. So the smaller, if you stake for 3 months, it's smaller, and 12 months is bigger, and that is awesome. You can connect your wallet. If you follow my buys, you can see everything that I do at the time it happens. So if we're going back to the website, okay, then we can go HUD. Let's go to HUD, get started HUD now. What does that mean? takes me to another website, and that is an extension that I can add to Chrome. Whoa. So, I mean, I'm not going to go too deep into this, but it seems like they have done quite some work on this. So here you can sign in to get the API key, and with the API key, you can actually connect and make your bot work for you, so you can automate your workflow on how to navigate through your wallet, sell, deal with the contracts. It does it all for you. It is a little techy, but if you are hands-on on the tech, get the API key, build something, and let the magic happen. That is awesome. That gets me very excited. API keys, let's go. This is awesome. You can sign in. I encourage you to do that as well. And then there's the HUD. We're going to close that down. We also have the wallet, the staking, which I'm going to do as well. The website looks amazing. It is a little dark. It is a little like, it could be better in a navigation shape and form. It could be more user-friendly and not as techy and hard to understand for users maybe that are not as tech driven. But overall, it is good. It lets you click through all the features that it has, and it lets you explore, it lets you sign in, and it takes you to all the websites individually so you can start the process of that individual feature that you're clicking on. That is amazing. That is a game changer. Okay, guys, now we'll check out the Twitter as social engagement. As you know, in my videos, I always mention social engagement is top of the line. That is the place where the community will always update you on the latest features, on the latest announcements, on the latest advancements and new headlines that they have achieved. So if you want to stay up to date, I encourage you to sign up to their X account, where you can see the most up-to-date features, advancement, and maybe you can see the face of the creators, developers, and of the management going through an interview. And that's what we want to see. We want to see if it's real, if people are actually talking about it, or is it just a regular bot answering everything and doing everything for us. So let's go to the Twitter. Let's not waste more time. I have it already open, Twitter. We can see that there's a pinned, oh no, there's not a pinned message like usually. This was posted 6 hours ago. 6 hours ago. That is amazing. That already gives us the first hint of, okay, this community is active. This community keeps engaging its users, and it's not wasting time on announcing what their next development is, and that is great. Here, for example, we have comments as well. So if we click on it, there's a this is a long post. This is major announcements of new deployments. It seems like this is amazing, very detailed, on the spot. And if you don't want to read all this, you can use ChatGPT to just like copy this, have it summarize it for you so you can understand better what it means. And here we have comments. It's all very beautiful and exciting. There's people being part of the whole announcement thread and whole announcement chain, and that is amazing. That is so good to see, and that encourages me to invest further in this project, because I do believe in this project, even though it has dropped significantly. So let's go back. We just clicked on the first one. The second post was June 25, HeyAnon, June 19th. Then we also had June 17th. So it seems like every second day, every day, it gives us updates. It gives us new things to consider. It gives us new things to think about on the platform, and in all posts we see comments and replies on fire, soccer ball signs, whatever that means. Because of the post creation in England. We want to see if the community is engaging, if the project is engaging with the community, and we are definitely seeing so on this platform. That is very exciting. Here, developing on the cutting edge of AI. Here again, what we saw on the website, 3 steps to give your agent DeFi superpowers. I mean, guys, this is great. The Twitter looks awesome. The Twitter looks fantastic. It is always being updated. There's constant communication between users, investors, and the actual team. And that is great to see. That is a great project that we can consider, and we can dive deeper into it, so we can see if we can put some money into this project. So now that we have gone into the Twitter, I have a last major announcement. I'm not going to show you guys, but HeyAnon is also on Coinbase. HeyAnon is on the Coinbase exchange. Coinbase exchange is the biggest exchange in the world for cryptocurrency. It is just with 2 clicks you can buy HeyAnon, and that's how easy it is. That's how you can hold some of those project's tokens. I encourage you to check it out. I encourage you to look into it. It has major potential. I believe in this project. I think it still is a good investment. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you for following my content. Give me a thumbs up if you like this content. Let me know what you think about HeyAnon. Let me know if you think this can fly high up to the sky. Thank you so much, Fernando, representing Crypto Genius. Let's go.